Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Welcome back to another Planmas unboxing haul. So after all of this unboxings, you guys, I will be coming back to you with all my planner setups. But I am going to use some of this stuff. Today I have a haul from Sweet Kawaii Design. I love this shop and you guys know that. I actually started filming this this video and I forgot to press record, so I realized I was not recording. You know what? I need a better setup. I absolutely need a better setup, but we'll talk about that some other time. So let me open this first because I already took it out of the package. And this one is my monthly subscription. Okay, so I purchased the A5 monthly, and it's full of stickers, you guys. It's so full of stuff. Let me show you. So this one, all right. This one has the tiny calendar here. So beautiful. Look at all. Look at the face. It's so cute. We also have my favorite sticker here, you guys. Oh no, it has a little something here. Yeah, it's missing the color here. So this is the jumbo sticker. So this would be good for an A5. You can use it in your 7x9s, your Happy Planner Classics, your EC 7x9s, maybe even in your minis, like Happy Planner minis, B6s. Yeah, you can actually trim a little bit and use it in very different, in a lot of different sizes and planners. I love this stickers. These are my favorite, the jumbo stickers. So the first 3 pages here are for the monthly view. Okay, you have the month here, and once again, this is for the A5, so you can see they're smaller. Okay, and we have the date dots and some boxes. Oh my gosh, this color combo is so beautiful. Love it. Oh, okay, and this is another one of my favorite sheets. This is the wacky holidays. So you have one holiday, one crazy holiday for every day of the month. You also have some little icons here and payday scripts. So now this is the weekly. Let's take a look. All right. Here you have some reminders here. You have some deco. These are the large ones and some tiny ones here. Okay, we have some, what are these called? I forgot. Just boxes. Oh, quarter boxes with the this week label here. Oh, look at Frank. He's eating this big old chocolate. He's adorable. And you have some weekly trackers here. So you have 4 weeks. So these are for your checklist. Oh, these hearts are beautiful. This whole thing is... Look at these hearts. Oh my gosh. So these boxes are... Usually they're just rectangular. But this month we have the heart-shaped boxes. Oh, so pretty. Pretty, pretty. And we have full boxes here. Nacho Valentine. He loves nachos and burritos because he's a burrito in one of my t-shirts. So I have 2 t-shirts with Poe. So not your Valentine, so Nacho Valentine. And here, and I don't need a Valentine, I need a nap. And it has a cat face. Awesome. So that's only 1 double box. I'm gonna check their website and see if they have more deco. I might get some more. This is very cute. Okay, so on this sheet, this is number 7. We have date dots here for the month to do more bigger character stickers here, and then the tiny ones. Okay, so these ones are payday shopping, laundry, cleaning. Yeah, so this is for like your monthly bills and stuff. Okay, so this one has the weekend banners. Weekend banners here for 4 weeks. You have trackers here, and then you have more boxes. Oh, I didn't know we had more boxes here. Oh, here's another double box. Okay. Oh, Frank, I love you too, Frank. Thanks. I only have fries for you. Okay, so this is the same as the jumbo sticker. Look at his little skirt. Some flowers. Oh, they're so cute. I love you with all my heart. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Okay, so now these are the weekly headers. And these ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 weeks and then the rest of the day dots for the month. Okay, so that is, oh, and then we get the washi. Yep, we get 2 sheets of washi. Oh, so pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, so this is the whole monthly kit, you guys. Is full of goodness, and you have a lot. If you only want to use one kit, I'm pretty sure you can decorate your whole planner with this for the whole month. Next little package, let's take a look here. I do not remember what I got here. Let me check, make sure I'm filming. Yes, okay. All right, so now let's take a look here. Is anything there? No. Okay, you guys know I love these little things, and they're great to reuse, okay? They're so pretty, look. Okay, let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Oh, look. Okay. Oh, and I got bacon here in this washi. Okay, give me a second because... Wow, I forgot what I got here. Okay, so it's going the wrong way. Should be this way. Let's see. So I purchased, you guys, 4 of the washi cutters. Oh, these are metal, I think. Yeah, it sounds like it. So I'm gonna share with friends and my daughter and my cousin. Look at this cutie. I forgot her name. I need to look up her name. So this is the Christmas washi cutter. Look how pretty. Oh, I've been wanting to get one forever, and every time she has the washi cutter, I always miss out on it because they sell out super fast. But I think they still have this on the website. I also picked up this charm because, of course, the obsession with all cute things, you know. Tiny little charm, and this one is metal. Cute. Now let's take a look at the freebies. I'm sure, oh, I got Frank. Yes, I was so worried that I was not gonna get Frank. I forgot if he was available for this week. So this freebie, I'm gonna show you. This freebie right here, you guys, is like the monthly freebie. Yes, but it's every 2 weeks. So Tasha is changing the freebies every 2 weeks. When I placed this order, it was Frank's week, and I could not be happier because he is adorbs. I don't remember if I don't remember if this was a freebie too, or if I purchased that. Then let's take a look here. And then I got this freebie. Oh, it was oh, this is from Black Friday. Yeah. So these are the freebies. So this is, and you can actually get a pickle card where, oh, is this a sticker or is this a card? Oh, this is, I don't, this is a sticker too. This is like a jumbo sticker. Awesome. Yep. And here's another freebie. This is if you put Robin from Talks from the Heart, if you put Robin's name, you get an extra freebie, I think. This might be it. I don't remember, but I always do that. And Happy New Year, and we get a card. Oh, awesome. All right, so now from there, I messed up, you guys, because I picked something. I wanted to get like the biggest freebie, but only the first 150 people were getting it, and I was like, by the time I checked out, so it took me 3 minutes to check out, I was already like the 300 and something order. So yeah, I didn't get the extra bundle, but I am cool. I'm okay with that. So I picked up this Black Friday kit. This is Fresh Start. So you get some, oh, look at this. This is perfect for like spraying. Look at, and you get some candles, Love Potion, rainbows. Oh, look at that. So cute. Oh, I didn't know that it was a weekly. You have the days of the week here, tracker, washi, the day dots, and some boxes in shape of clouds. All right, so this was one of the Friday special, Black Friday special. So this is the same as this. I'm not gonna open that in case I want to give it away. I honestly don't know why I picked 2 of each. I think I went back and I didn't see it in my cart and I added, and then it ended up adding 2. Yeah, something like that. Anyways, so here's another weekly. Go big and stay home. Listen, I still want to be invited, but I'm not coming. That's so cute. And then you have the self-care, the bath, the planner, go away. Oh, and then you have the washi and the days of the week. So you can use, actually, I mean, this is a weekly, but it has a lot of stickers. So you can probably spread this into 2 weeks. And I got a second one here. Now, I did order some of the jumbo stickers. So this is for the Hobonichi weeks. So this is the week. I don't know if I'm going to laminate this or not. I think I might. And here's my jumbo. Oh, I love this jumbo stickers. Look at their face. They're like totally chocolate wasted. And they have chocolate all over their faces. I love them. So cute. All right. I also picked up some Mani and Petty stickers. Oh, she's so cute. So cute. I don't know her name either. Oh, and one of this. I should have picked more of this, actually. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyways. This is a Hobonichi Cousin Day on One mix. Day on One mix. So I follow Robin from Talks from the Heart. I love watching her videos, and she uses this in her Hobonichi Cousin or her B6. I'm not sure exactly. I can't remember, but she uses this all the time. So I wanted to give it a try. You can use this for your 7x9 too. And also for your A5s. Yeah, that's good. All right. So all of this cuteness. I should have picked up more of this instead of the kits, because I'm sure my cousin would have liked that. All right, let me open the last box. So it came like this, you guys. Oh, you already broke into like this. It's not that big. It's just that it has my address on one side. Don't remember what's in there, but we'll figure it out. And this right here. And that's it. Okay. All right. Oops. So this right here, you guys, I think they're sold out. They're not even on her website anymore. So this is a coffee mug. Oh, wow, it's so big. All right, I don't know how many ounces this is, but this is big. So I picked up the coffee mug for Christmas, and you have all of the Christmas deco here. Look at that. Look at the cookie. And you have Frank and, of course, Poe. So when I drink it, I can see them. Oh, they're cute faces. This is super stinking cute. Super cute. Ah, this is going to be, you know what? I might take this to work so I can drink my tea at work. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is so cute. Awesome. So I purchased this and this. Where are we gonna put this here? Oh, right there. And this right here, I don't know what this is. Are these freebies? Oh, do I have another Frank? No. Really? Let's see, let's see. Yeah, I did get 2 Franks. Awesome. He is my favorite. No, actually, Poe is my #1 dude, I would say. Then Frank is my second favorite. They're all my favorites. So we have another Frank freebie. There we go. Here's another November freebie. He knows if you're being crabby or nice. All right. I didn't have that. I don't think I got that. And I purchased this die cuts. Yes, this I did purchase. Okay. For 2023. I need to start setting up my planners, you guys, which I will be doing next week. Just in time for 2023. So this little setup here, let's see. What can we use? We'll use this. So we have the party, the New Year's Eve party people here. And there's Saliva. She's drooling over here. 2023 after the party. And this balloon 2023. Cuteness. And this guy, which I forgot his name. But let me show you. Okay, now I can't remember. Oh, die cuts. Okay, yeah. I couldn't remember if there were stickers or not. But they are stickers. Okay, so when it says die cuts, they're actually stickers, you guys. Look. Oh, I didn't know that. Awesome. Yeah, I didn't know that. And it worked. Look, that trick that Tasha does. Just like that. It works. Okay, you guys. So this is my latest Sweet Kawaii design haul. I am super happy for this. I think I'm going to take it to work. And because I spend so much time at work, you guys. My days are long, long, long. So yeah. Can drink my tea. So I'll have a lot of stuff to set up my planner. In 2023, all of this shopping is it's gonna have to stop, you guys. So let's enjoy it now while we can, and I'll come back to you with a setup and show you some of these goodies. Throughout the year, I'll be doing, you know, because actually this you can use any time of the year. And the colors look very springy to me. So I might use this for spring. This is so cute. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And like always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.